Hey y'all, so what we're going to go ahead and do today is actually go through the actual campaign process creation. So we already have our TikTok ads manager connected to Shopify, have our tracking set up and everything like that. So what we're going to go ahead and do is go through the actual campaign creation. So if you're here on the dashboard, you're just going to click on campaign. And then we're going to go ahead and click on create. And from here, we're going to click on custom mode. And then we're going to click on website conversions. And then we're just going to name this first campaign website conversions. Then from here, we're going to name it open. Then for here, we're going to go ahead and select our pixel. If you do not have a pixel, go ahead and follow the steps down here in terms of how to set that up through Shopify. It's actually on the document right below this video. So go ahead and follow those steps. You'll be able to go through on Shopify, download that. If you do not already have it set up, if you do, then go ahead and just select your pixel and then select complete payment. And then from there, you're going to click on select placements. Make sure to just choose TikTok. And then for our advanced settings, you're going to go ahead and turn off user comments only if you're not going to be able to respond. I'll show you how to respond and how to manage those comments as well right after this video. So from there, like we said, we're going to name this our open audience. So what we're going to go ahead and do is if you do know your demographics in terms of male or female, go ahead and select that. Say if you're like a women's boutique brand, go ahead and choose female. Or if you're a male dominant brand, then go ahead and choose male. And then make sure to always choose above 18 and then make sure to select any age group that your customers are in. If you do not know exactly, go ahead and just select all of these placements. Now, for setting up the audience, because this is our open audience, 90% of the time, an open audience does work the best on TikTok. So what we're going to go ahead and do is just stick with our open audience for right now. And then in terms of your actual budget, we're going to go ahead and start with $20 per day. And I'll have a graph underneath this video as well in terms of where you're going to start your budget, depending on where your business is as well. So for right now, we're just going to click on $20 and we're going to leave everything else the same. Make sure our optimization goal is conversions, and we're going to go for lowest cost. Now we're going to click on next. Cool. So there's going to be 3 different ways to set up ads. Now, the first one is going to be a custom identity. Now, what a custom identity is what you're likely going to be able to see is this. If you've never set up ads before, you're going to use your logo and then type in whatever name you want. Obviously, keep it relevant to your brand, or you can also even just type in your actual brand at name. Once you have that selected, this will be a custom identity. It's not going to be connected to your profile, to your account. It's only going to be ran from the ad account and connected through the ad account. Now, what you're going to go ahead and do for the first ad is name it ad number 1. And then we're going to do just like Facebook. We're going to name it something relevant to what's in the video. Now, the 2 other ways to run ads is going to be Spark ads. And now what Spark ads is if you are a business account, you can actually go ahead and link your account and you can actually grab posts from your business account and you can actually just run those posts directly as ads. Now, if you're a personal account or you're a creator account, what you do is go ahead and click on authorized, use authorized account or post. You can go ahead and go through these steps right here and follow these steps in terms of how to actually set up, turn on your ad settings, set up your post, grab the authorization code. It'll walk you through it step by step. And you put the authorization code in here, hit search. And then those videos, whether from your business or after you've authorized the post, will go ahead and show up right here in the plus TikTok post. You can just add the post directly in. And then from there, it's going to already have the text from your post and the video from your post. And all you have to do is add the URL. Now, that's going to be that way to run ads. What we're going to do today is the custom identity. So what that's going to be is what we're going to go ahead and do is upload a video. So we're just going to click on upload. Just grabbed a video there. Make sure it's 9:16 and very high quality. And remember, you can always grab a video from your profile. If you grab the URL and then you go to SnapTick, you can actually take that video and remove the watermark and then go ahead and upload it in here as an ad. That's always a workaround. And then go ahead and type in the text. We definitely have those text examples on the page down here. I'm just going to type in just free shipping for right now. just to keep it simple. And then we're going to go ahead and grab the URL. Go ahead and grab the URL from their page. I'm going to go ahead and grab the URL from their page. Same one from the Facebook ads. It's going to go directly to that landing page. I'm going to go ahead and paste that in there. Now this ad is done. It's much more simple than the Facebook ad side of things. We just have the video. We'd obviously have the hardworking gentleman within there and then have their logo. The text, we have examples for that on the document, and then paste in the actual URL in there. Now, once we have this one ad, we're going to do, if you want great hair, move this. And from there, we're going to go ahead and hit duplicate. And now we're on to the second ad. So we're going to do ad number 2. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on update from computer. Click to upload. Enter. Perfect. And then that will upload our second ad. And now once our ad is uploaded, we're going to go ahead and grab a piece of that video just so we know. So we're going to do that 1/3 ingredients. That'll be our second ad. Cool. And so again, with TikTok, all we're going to need is those 2 ads. And then I'm going to go through the actual process in terms of how we can go ahead and duplicate this open audience, because we're going to want to split test with the second audience as well. So after clicking submit, once it's submitted, we're just going to want to head back to the campaigns. We're going to want to go to campaign, go to our active campaign that we just launched. Now, always remember, when it says not delivering, that's not a problem. It's just currently in review. And it's going to say the same thing on the ad level as well. It just means it's in review. It will go live within the next 2 to 24 hours. It really depends. Sometimes it's even quicker than that. So once we have our open audience on the ad set level, on the ad group level, we're going to click on copy. We're going to copy it from this existing campaign. And the only thing that we are going to go ahead and change is we're going to go ahead and change the name. And we're going to actually make sure that the TikTok pixel is selected again. Sometimes it falls off when we're duplicating. Complete payment. Click on automatic targeting. Same budget. That will actually target completely on its own. It will allow TikTok to do all of the targeting. This is another very, very high performing audience as well. And every other setting is going to stay the exact same. All we have to do is click on automatic targeting, click on next. And then once we land on the actual ad level, everything is going to stay the exact same. Nothing's going to be changed. All our ads are going to be the same. So we're going to have the ad 1, ad 2, have the same copy, same URL, and then we're just going to go ahead and hit submit. Now, once everything's submitted, we're going to go ahead and refresh our page and go ahead and see in here that we have now within these campaigns, within the campaign that we just launched, we're going to see both our automatic targeting are open. And then from here, go ahead and look below this document, and I'm going to have exactly how to optimize, scale, duplicate, and continue on with scaling with new ads as well in the future. So go ahead and check that out below. Cool.